family, this whole class, as well as the being tricked. Nobody asked me who am I. I'm singing Satane Chaba Mutsire. Me, I'm a trafficker. I'm a criminal. These two children were tricked and the whole school was tricked and the teachers. To think, listen, to think that they are going to take part in South Africa's Got Talent. But me and my partner, we want to tell you something today, You know, do you know what's going to happen to them? Listen, no more fun and games here, it's serious. Do you know what's going to happen to them? He is going to do no singing, he's going to Mozambique. There he's going to be trafficked into the mines there. Because they're using child labor. But slave labor. These children are going to be making bricks. This young man will be singing there to himself. And at night he's going to be used by the men for sex because they're not women that side. This young lady, boys and girls, this young lady here, she's going to be taken to Soweto. She is not going to South Africa's Got Talent, nothing. She is going to be sold as a domestic slave, and at night she's going to be used and sold to men for sex. So this is human trafficking, boys and girls. Do you understand me?